So I'm Dr. Noelle Lucas from Blue Oasis Pet Hospital, and I have a little helper with me, and we're going to be answering some questions that you might have about your kitten care, vaccines, and just general kitten care. I have an assistant with me who's going to ask me some questions, and what's the first one?
So, Dr. Lucas, what should I expect from my kitten's first vet visit?
So when you come to your veterinarian with a new kitten, we're going to educate you on the vaccines that are needed for your kitten, the deworming protocol for intestinal parasites. We're going to talk about any behavioral concerns that you guys have, and we're also just going to do a good general health visit and try to identify any medical issues that your kitten may have. We are also going to often screen them for feline leukemia and feline immunodeficiency virus called FIV testing.
What should I ask my veterinarian at my kitten's first appointment?
So there are lots of questions that pet parents will bring to us. If you have any specific questions, we recommend that you write them down. But most of the time we're going to be talking about vaccines. We're going to be talking about deworming and intestinal parasites, maybe even bringing a fecal sample in with you when you bring your cat in. We're going to be talking about nutrition. We're going to be talking about lifestyle and their just environmental, where they're living. So there's quite a lot we're going to talk about, and if you have specific questions, we recommend that you write them down.
How often does my kitten need to go to the veterinarian?
So kittens should come in right after you get them, as soon as possible actually, so we can just generally assess their health and also educate you on vaccines and dewormings and screen them for fleas, talk about nutrition, and where they're going to be living, indoor or outdoor. There's just a lot of information that we're going to have for you when you first bring in your cat to your vet.
What kind of preventative care does my kitten need?
So preventative care would be a general category for how do we prevent diseases and infections. So the most common way that we do that is through vaccinations. We can actually prevent a lot of disease through vaccination. We can also deworm them and then get them started on some maybe flea, tick, and intestinal parasite deworming to prevent disease.
When should I get my kitten spayed and neutered?
So spaying and neutering your kitten, little boys get neutered and little girls get spayed. Usually we recommend that around 6 months of age is sort of the national norm usually. If you have any specific questions or have just things you want to talk about with your veterinarian about your kitten, please reach out to your veterinarian, or if you're in this community, call us here at Blue Oasis Pet Hospital. We'd love to help.